Hello my friend, today I'd like to show you how to use the wireless connection for the light and lighting controller. Here is our LED Uplight. It's battery powered, so there is no power cable, you can see. And this is our mini lighting controller. It's also battery powered, so there is no power cable. And most important, there is no DMX cable because this controller has the DMX sender. It's wireless, and here the light, there is a DMX receiver inside, so they can be connected wireless. There is no DMX cable. It's quite convenient, right? Now let's go how to connect it. Here is a switch of the light. Now let's turn it on. You can look, it works. The signal light turns green. Now let's go to the menu. Look, let's go to the menu of set. And make sure you go to the item number 2. It's on. Then, most important, let's go back to the menu of DMX 512 and make sure you go to A0001. Now let's set the lighting controller. Turn on the controller, and here is the sender switch. Turn it on. You can see the light, it works, and here the signal turns green. Now they are connected. We can use the controller to control the light. Here we go. Red, green, blue, white, amber, and purple. Do you like it? Please feel free to contact with me. Bye-bye.